Hello, my wonderful computer scientists. And by the way, we got a new microphone. Pretty cool. Knowing me, though, it's probably set up to still use my headset mic, but who cares? Anyway, let's talk about what we're doing. So, hopefully, if you're clicking this video, you're doing the excuse me, broadcast and receive assignment. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the assignment, and you're going to click on this link. And maybe I'll put this in the YouTube comments as well. Maybe someone outside of the classroom wants to do the assignment. But you're going to click on this link, and you're going to go to this project. We're going to see inside this project. And for some reason, there's no remix button. So this is an immediate problem. It's because I'm not signed in. Make sure you're signed in your Scratch account so you cannot save your work. Oh my goodness. Why does it keep exiting when I change my password? Alright, there we go. Alright, now signed in. So once you click on this link, you need to click on the remix button. And what we want to do is we want to make it so that instead of them having this conversation using waits, what they will do. So right now the penguin says hello. He says it for 2 seconds. And then this character, he waits for 2 seconds while the penguin's saying hello. And then he says hi. We want to have this conversation without any of these wait blocks. So to do that, what we're going to need is something called a broadcast. What a broadcast lets you do is synchronize certain events. So what we'll say is we'll start from the green flag, and the penguin at the start of the green flag will say hello. This character, we can have him start on smiling, but he's not going to do it when the green flag is clicked. What he's going to do is that the penguin, he's going to say hello, and then he's going to broadcast. And let's have him broadcast hello. So he'll broadcast hello. And then this other character, when he receives hello, he'll start smiling and say hi there. And then he'll send out a broadcast of his own. He'll broadcast hi there. And then the penguin will receive hi there, etc., etc. So once he receives hi there, maybe he should broadcast something about what he's saying. And then once the sprite receives the message about whatever the penguin is saying, maybe he'll say his response. Your goal for this assignment is to restructure this conversation using broadcasts by using a technique that lets our sprites send messages between each other. That's the lesson. That's the whole thing. I don't think there's anything else to it. Yep, I think that's about it. So hopefully you can continue this process of making it so that once they say something, they broadcast a message. They send that message out to all the sprites in the project, get that message. So he says hello, and then he broadcasts hello, and that hello goes out to every sprite. And if any sprite has a receive, when it receives hello, it'll do something. You guys can use broadcasts to finish this conversation. Then you could edit it to be your own conversation. And then if you want extra credit, maybe you could add other sprites that jump into the conversation at certain times. Maybe you could add, when you broadcast something, maybe he broadcasts Avada Kedavra, and then the other sprite instantly dies. Who knows? You could broadcast all sorts of things. You could do all sorts of things with this. I hope you guys spent some time playing around with it, other than just, having them have the conversation. But if you do just broadcast the conversation back and forth, that'll be your 100 for today. Let me know if you need help, as always, and I'll see you next time. That's it. That's the whole assignment.